Hey, what's up? David Nichols here. I'm CEO of Loop, and today I'm here to talk to you about a topic very close to my heart, and that is engineers. Engineers that we love to collaborate with, engineers that we want to be part of the team because the team is growing. The most important thing to know about Loop is that Loop's mission is revolution. There are a lot of really interesting new technologies just waiting to be applied into machines, into manufacturing, into these kind of applications. We see it, we work with other people that see it. If you want to be a part of that, that's how you know that you should be here. We have a really clear point of view about how companies should work, how teams should work together, what our relationships to our clients should be like, and we describe those things in a set of core values. They're up on a big mural behind me. You can check them out on our website. There are things like trusting collaboration, engineer your lifestyle, think critically, no assholes. And by the way, we really do live by these rules. These things are true for us. We know that if we behave that way, if we act that way, we use those things to guide our decisions, we're going to be successful, or at the very least, we're going to have a great time. And that's really what this is all about, isn't it? Life is short. To get a little clearer about how we operate as a business, there's two main pieces and a couple other things I'll mention. First is hardware distribution. We work with revolutionary technologies and revolutionary machine designers, put those two things together, and you have, hey, these are great products. They match with what people are trying to do breakthrough things. We provide those components. We help design those components. We do concepts around those components. Those are things like B&R Industrial Automation, AV Robotics, Boston Dynamics. We like to work with all the newest and coolest stuff to bring new possibilities to machines. The second part of our business is around engineering consulting. A lot of people would call it systems integration, but we do it in a kind of particular way, which is that we do everything in engineering in agile sprints, based on techniques coming out of software engineering, based on things that we've seen people do in other industries. Building new things step by step is a really awesome and effective and great way to do things. We've taken that and we've applied that to systems integration in a way that a lot of people and a lot of our clients find really compelling. Point of that is, as a business, we are also a systems integrator. We've got some of our own proprietary equipment designs in the pipelines. We're also building some dev tools. There's a lot of different ways that we take this crew and apply them into different business opportunities, but those are the big ones, just so that you're clear on what buckets we fit into. So here's the thing about engineering hiring. Our work is really multidisciplinary. We have people who have physics degrees, have mechanical engineering degrees, electrical, software engineering, mechatronics, if you've heard of that or you have a degree like that. Any of those disciplines or any kind of combinations of those disciplines are really interesting to us because really everything that we work on involves bits, atoms, electrons, mechanisms. It's all got to be harmonious in order for new equipment and breakthroughs to occur. So hey, if any of those things check a box on your resume, then we're interested to talk to you. The next few hires and a lot of our work does have heavy software components, especially if you're passionate about bringing software engineering into industrial automation, or you are a mechanical engineer who somehow magically learned a bunch of software engineering in your experience or on the side. Like, that's a really special combo, and that's something that we really appreciate. But regardless, if what we're talking about from a point of view and a values perspective makes sense to you, is resonating with you, or sounds really cool, don't worry about what your resume says in terms of discipline. Just show up, let's talk about it, let's talk about the alignment that we have on those things, and the skill sets. We can figure out our complement with other people here. Likewise with experience, we have junior people here, we have really senior people here, we've got everything in between. We're not looking for a particular mix and match. We know that every one of those roles has different trade-offs in terms of what they bring. So hey, if you're brand new, hit us up. If you've been at it for a long time, we're also eager to meet you. Anywhere in between, hey, show up and let's build some cool stuff. This being Loop, we can't just follow the normal instructions for better or worse. So what we're going to do here is we're just like, here's what we're about. These are the kind of people that we're looking for. We're not going to be doing, this multi-pages and pages of details of requisitions and requirements. It's like, hey, if this sounds great, if you're feeling this, then show up and let's see if there's a fit here. If there's alignment to the purpose, if there's alignment to the values, we want to get to know you. Maybe this isn't the moment when we're ready for you, but maybe that moment is not far away. And we won't tell your current boss, by the way. I hope that's the right combination of really interesting and open and also specific. Go ahead and fill out that form. Let us know you're interested. And yeah, we hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. See you soon.